Next, mountain pass. Dawn Zayan walks alone through a misty mountain trail. The eye shard glows faintly in his satchel, pulsing with each step. Zayan, I didn't choose this, but I'll finish it. Into cave whispers. Later he enters a cave marked on the eye's new map. Inside, voices echo, not from others, but from within. Eye's voice, you walk alone, but you are never alone. Visions appear. Alina blaming him, Rayaan turning away, Naira watching silently. The temptation, a glowing pedestal, holds the next relic, a crown-shaped fragment. But as Zayan reaches for it, a shadowy version of himself appears. Shadow Zayan, you don't need them. You never did. A battle begins, not physical, but emotional. Zayan must fight his own doubt. Safe house. P-A-L-L-L-E-C-A. Alina and Rayaan argue about following Zayan. Naira warns them. Naira, if he fails this trial, the eye won't wait. It will choose again. Into CAVE, final moment, Zayan resists. The shadow places his hand on the relic and whispers, Zayan, I'm not chosen because I'm alone. I'm chosen because I won't give up. The relic fuses with the shard, and a new path appears, leading into a storm. Ixt, mountain ridge night. Zayan steps out of the cave. Change, the eye glows brighter. But so does the storm ahead. To be continued.